Well, there's a joke that is doing the rounds in Zimbabwe, and that is that the first phrase that any foreign visitor is likely to learn when they get here is magetsi ayenda, which literally means the power is out again. Such is the frequency of power cuts here. Zimbabwe has not built any new power plant in over 40 years. Existing ones are desperately in need of refurbishment, which requires billions and cannot be done overnight. It's a bleak outlook, but there could be light at the end of the tunnel. China Africa Sunlight Energy is planning a $2.2 billion coal mining and power generation plant that will feed up to 600 megawatts, about 1/3 of Zimbabwe's total electricity needs, onto the national grid in the next 2 years. This could be the catalyst the economy needs to get going again.
因为能源行业是一个国家的支柱产业，一个国家要想发展，必须能源行业走在前面。
Construction begins this month and should be completed within 24 months. Once up and running, the colliery will produce 2.4 million metric tons of coal, which will mainly be used for power generation on site. It will be Zimbabwe's first independent power plant, and unlike other thermal power stations where coal is mined off-site and then transported by a rail or road, everything will be in one location, which should increase efficiency and significantly reduce costs. It's a staggering amount of money that is required, but the project promoters are confident this will not suffer the stillbirth that other power projects have in recent years.
This is not a government project, it is actually a private-owned company project. So the process that the government goes through to get resources is actually different. So this one, rest assured that this project is going to take off the ground on time as we have planned it to be.
Thousands will be employed and even more jobs created in industries that are set to be rejuvenated once the power headache is solved. In fact, the project has been awarded national project status in recognition of its importance in helping turn around Zimbabwe's fortunes. CCTV, Harare, Zimbabwe.